This what I believe.
This 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 I believe. I believe in dreams. I believe in success. I believe in that dreams are the beginning of every success, and success is the end of every dream. Some people believe that success come overnight. Well, I'm here to tell you, keep on dreaming. To be successful, you have to put in the work, do the things that people will never dream of. Your dream is a platform of life. Don't let no one ever kill your dream. If you do, you might as well lay down and die, because it's just a waste of life. When you think of success and really mean to be successful, your success comes before your own life. My success isn't for me. To make those millions means to make sure my family will be well taken care of. Make sure that they will never have to rely on anyone. That's my dreams to be successful. I believe that a man dreams of a good thing, but forget what he has to do to make that dream come true. When I dream at night, I believe that God sends a reminder about what I want in life and shows me the road to success. Some people feel that when they feel that they have failed, they just stop. But that's what a dream killer is. It is someone who gives up and forget what they want in life, which is success. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. Nothing is going to stand in my way. I'm just a boy from Charpy who's trying to make a dream come true, to make a small community out of nowhere stand out, and to make dreams we all have to come true. My name is Nakoya SD1 Marquise Pringle, and this is what I believe.
This what I believe.
This 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 I believe.